There is a part of this journey nobody really talks about. When you're a Pharm.D, you move to a new country, and suddenly you're not the person you were before. You're starting again as a pharmacy assistant, and it feels strange, heavy, and honestly scary. People see the title Pharm.D, but they don't see what it feels like to lose your professional identity and rebuild it from ground up. This is the part no one prepares you for. I still remember my first days in the Canadian pharmacy system. Oh God, everything felt unfamiliar. The workflow, in the insurance steps, the software, the speed, even the way patients interact with you. Actually, everything made me question myself. Everything, honestly. There were moments I walked into the shift with a smile and walked out wondering if maybe I wasn't capable enough. Just imagine. It's strange how a simple rejection message in the system can make your chest tighten, or how a patient asking something fast can make you freeze for a second and suddenly feel like you're 5 steps behind everyone else. There's always that one moment, a moment every internationally trained pharmacist knows. You're standing behind the counter, holding a prescription in your hand, and for a second you don't know what to do. Your brain knows pharmacy, but the system speaks another language, trust me. You feel the weight of everything you have been through, the immigration, the sacrifices, and you think maybe I made a mistake, maybe this path isn't for me. But that moment doesn't break you, it builds something new in you. Because slowly, shift by shift, you start learning, you start understanding the workflow without panicking. You recognize drugs instantly, you explain things to patients with confidence, you move and think faster, you solve issues that once overwhelmed you. And one day it hits you. You're not surviving anymore, you're growing. You're becoming a different version of yourself, a version that has been challenged, pressured, and reshaped, but not defeated. People think starting over means you lost something, but starting over teaches you something nobody else learned: how to rebuild with strength, how to choose yourself again, how to carry your past knowledge without letting your fears silence you. Being a Pharm.D who restarts as an assistant isn't a downgrade, it's a transformation. It's the bridge to where you're going next. It's the chapter that gives you resilience you need when you become a pharmacist here again. So if you're watching this and you're on the same path, if you're an international trained pharmacist or a new assistant to find your place, if you feel behind, if you feel lost, if you feel like you are starting from zero, just know this: you're not alone. Your journey is valid, your struggles is real, and your growth is already happening, even on the days you don't notice it. This is Pharmacy, a place where we talk honestly about pharmacy life, where we learn together, where we grow together, and where we remind each other that starting over doesn't mean starting from nothing. If you're walking this path too, subscribe and stay with me. We are building something meaningful here together.